Hey,
What?
Eliza,
What's the answer?
the number 3.
Number 3.
Yeah,
You're only on number 3.
yeah.
I'm on number 8. Oh my god, I'm not going to tell you that.
You're not telling me. I'm gonna ask the teacher.
Okay. What is it?
Goody.
What is it? Oh my god, will you stop?
I can't stop. Chad, me bro. Hey, Chad. Hey, heard of the football game?
Mm-hmm.
Going.
No.
Why?
I have gymnastics.
Football.
Shut up. Plus we're doing maths. So why are you just doing random stuff in the classroom? I will throw this notebook at you.
I don't know how to do math.
Ben, you're stupid. Why are you crouching down?
Because you're so short. I want to be like you.
I'm not even that short.
But I'm 1. Hey, why you look? Oh God. Oh.
What is it? What?
I did something on the board. Look at the board.
Oh my god. You are Why would you write I am so Sigma unlike you?
Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma
You know what?
boy.